guys, I'm drawing. I'm done. That's how fast I draw.
151. 151 pesos.
Of course.
25. Oh, 28.
That's 11. This is how I draw. But when I was a kid,
Ay, si... Kuhan, ayun si...
there's a birthday.
Ayun lang si... Ayun si Jaja. Oh.
Actually,
28 sorry ito mga 151 times 28 daw.
we'll say
151 times 28 daw.
a
151
mess.
times 28.
Can you bring this? Of course, there's always that wall. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to tell you that at last few days at August 16th, it's my birthday.
Mine too.
No, it's not your birthday because it's not the day where what you're born.
No girls allowed here because it's from boys.
But that's ours.
But that's my place.
But this is
From the boys.
not again.
Hey, what are you doing here, girls? What are you doing here? And this is mine. Oh, you got the pattern.